So here's your Truff chicken sandwich. Crispy chicken sandwich with the Truff sauce, crispy chicken, and pickles. And over here, you got your ghost pepper wings. And over here, the Oreo cheesecake. Can we try this? Welcome back to Deadly Outlaws. 5-star reviews. Uncle Barry, well, Barry here. Well, howdy, Outlaws. Welcome back to my show. If you're a fan of my content and I'm making you hungry, consider smashing that subscribe button, clicking that notification bell. Because every Saturday, it's Deadly Outlaws to show you guys I can watch. I'm here to try. This is my lunch. The Truff sandwich and the ghost pepper wings with some mac and cheese and an Oreo cheesecake. Let's give the Truff sandwich a shot. Ka-ching, got it. All right. Let's give the ghost pepper wings a try. Here we go. That's good. Oh, it's a little spiciness right in your tongue. Too bad. Let's try the Truff chicken sandwich. Truff sauce is okay. It needs more Truff sauce. Let's try the cheesecake and then we'll get to our rating. A spork. There it is. That cheesecake's phenomenal. We're gonna put some of this mac and cheese on this Truff chicken sandwich. All right, let's put some. Mac and cheese. There you go. I get more of that mac and cheese than I get the Truff sauce. All right, let's get to our rating. For the Truff burger, I'll give it a 4 out of 5. If it had more of that sauce, it would go well. For the oil cheesecake, we'll give that a 4.5 out of 5. And for the ghost pepper wings, 5 Outlaw stars. It delivers a kick. It's delicious. All right, guys. So want a personalized video shout out, you can go to cameo.com/outlaws_generation or go to patreon.com/outlawsgeneration. I do alcohol reviews on there. James has his rants, and there's our new tier, drama and politics. And you can check out my other socials right here that you see. All right, guys, so after these credits, I'm going to recommend some good content for you. You can check out my YouTube shorts where I reviewed the sweet and spicy wings from Popeyes. Click around subscribing to Outlaw Sports Den, new opening packs every Saturday and Sunday. Click around subscribing to Outlaws Generation, and you can check out the patreon.com/outlawsgeneration. Well, that's it for the review. You can't review it until you taste it. Until next time, join Outlaws' next new adventure. The Outlaws! Outlaws Generation out.